Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make jackfruit pudding. This delightful dessert is surprisingly simple to create and offers a unique tropical flavor. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients: ripe jackfruit, rich coconut milk, and a touch of sweetness. Having everything ready before you begin ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience. Let's dive into the delicious world of homemade jackfruit pudding. Now let's prepare our star ingredient, the jackfruit. Begin by carefully removing the seeds and any tough, fibrous core from the ripe jackfruit pods. You'll want to use only the soft, yellow flesh. Next, chop the jackfruit into small, manageable pieces. For this recipe, aim for about 2 cups of prepared jackfruit. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth and consistent pudding texture. With the jackfruit prepared, it's time to cook our pudding base. In a saucepan, combine the chopped jackfruit, 1 standard can of creamy coconut milk, and about a half cup of your chosen sweetener, like sugar or maple syrup. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent sticking. Continue cooking for approximately 10 to 15 minutes until the pudding thickens to your desired consistency and the flavors have beautifully melded. Once your jackfruit pudding has reached its perfect consistency, carefully pour it into individual serving bowls or a single larger dish. Allow it to cool slightly at room temperature before transferring it to the refrigerator. For the best flavor and texture, chill the pudding for at least 2 hours or even overnight. Before serving, consider garnishing with toasted coconut flakes or a sprig of fresh mint for an appealing presentation. Enjoy your homemade tropical treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.